In this video, I will show you how to create group chat on TikTok. Firstly, you need to get up here into your profile section on your TikTok site. And then, if you want to take over that selection, you need to go right down for inbox, go on it, and simplify. As you can see right here, if you go on your right upper side to check out your inbox, right here, firstly, you're gonna find out all sites which are friends on your setup to take up and simply, right now, because as you can see, this is my account, which is not someone else to get up and show you how it looks like, but simply if you have more friends on your TikTok account, here you're gonna be available to select more of them, and then on your right upper side it will shows up a setup which you're gonna tap on it, and then it will shows up create group chat. You need simply to go accept, and then you're gonna be available to add the name of the group and then create that selection.